Good morning from COZUMEL. I'm just mostly doing B-roll just because I'm with friends. Beautiful day. Hopefully it'll stay blue skies and sunny. So I'm not really like filming a lot because I'm with friends, but just mostly doing B-roll. But we're going to take this ferry over to Playa del Carmen and kind of spend the day there, come back around dinner time. But yeah, kind of getting out of here. We're going to dive tomorrow. Yesterday was a really long day, but we're going to dive tomorrow. And so today is just kind of a day of just kind of being a little bit of a tourist and do some retail therapy. So there's a big cruise ship there that just came in. And this is great. Okay, well, I'm going to use the restroom right now. So Sanitaria's Damas. So let me use the restroom before I get on the boat.